Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening YouTube and finding the exact video you want. Use precise keywords or the channel name so results narrow quickly. Once you see likely matches, open the video page. Make sure you are on the video player view. You need the share button under the player and the timecode display. If the video is part of a playlist, pause on the precise clip you want. Once done, note whether you need the whole video or a timestamped link for sharing. Next, use the share option to generate the link you'll send. Click share and check the start it box if you want a timecode. That appends a timestamp so the recipient opens at the same moment. If share is missing or blocked, right-click the address bar to copy the full URL instead. That gives you the complete link. For mobile, tap the share icon in the app and choose Copy Link. Once done, paste somewhere to confirm the link opens correctly. Finally, always verify the link by pasting it into a new tab. Make sure it starts at the intended time and that permissions allow viewing. If the link is too long, you can shorten it, but include context so viewers know what to expect. If the link doesn't work, check whether the video is private, age-restricted, or region-blocked. Also confirm playlist start time overrides didn't change the timestamp. If problems persist, try copying directly from the address bar or using the share dialog again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.